Hello and welcome back to the channel. I did warn you we're going to take a trip around that corner over there. We're on our way to Cork Bay. Or are we? No, in fact we're going to Fishhook first, but we'll get to Cork Bay one of these days too. Have a look, enjoy the ride, watch a summer morning, actually in winter, waking up. Yes, this is South Africa. It's hot, even in the winter. Welcome. Let's take a peek just around the quarry and have a look at Elsie's Peak. That's Fishhook, and now we're coming into Fishhook Bay, a very quiet, protected or sheltered bay, sheltered from some wind, and occasionally, yes, it does get windy, but it's a protected beach in that the surf is not as wild as on the other side, the Atlantic side. Here we're in the False Bay section. That's it down there on your right, Glen Quarry. Stone was once quarried here and loaded onto a barge and transported across the bay to Simonstown, where the harbour was built. Since then the quarry's been shut down. In the 60s it closed down, and now it's a shooting range, would you believe? I've never heard it because it's in a very sheltered and quiet area, obviously protected by the quarry itself. That's the Glen Expressway going up parallel to the Elsie's River. It's a nature conservation area, once named after the elderberries, hence Elsie's, elderberry trees that used to grow there. Looking towards Simonstown, before you get there, there's plenty of lovely eateries. For example, the Deep South Eatery, formerly known as the Glen Hotel, and also directly below us, Dixie's, a delightful little restaurant as well. Straight over there, ahead of us, is the Simonstown Mall, a pick and pay where you can get all your groceries. Directly below us down there is number 11 Bennett Close. Highly recommended. It's on Airbnb. We had a lovely week there. And just look at the view we enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.